Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from Luvme, and this wig is under $100. Well, actually this wig is under $90, so it's super affordable, and it's actually challenging me to step into my auntie era. You know, this is a mature wig. This is for my mature ladies out there. But a lot of you guys have been asking for something short, something that's more suitable for the mature ladies. I got you. So I picked up this wig from Luvme, and if you guys are interested, I will have all of the information and links located in the description box below. So here's what this wig looks like. You guys do notice that curved part. This wig is 8 inches long. It's in that curly texture, and this is called the shortcut curly minimalistic high definition glueless side part human hair wig. And this wig does have the pre-cut lace. The lace is also high definition. You have the bleached knots, and you have that deep curved part. So as usual, I kind of like to go in and prep the wig so that I can just go ahead and throw it on the very next day. I kind of want it like a little swoop. You don't have to add this. I know a lot of you guys don't really care for the baby hair, but I just went ahead and added one little small swoop, and now I'm just going in and prepping the hairline. I do like it to kind of go up and out of my face, so I went ahead and I applied a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse. I applied my edge band, and I'm just going to allow that to dry. But in the meantime, I'm just working on the curls, spritzing it down using a little bit of water, followed by my foaming wrap mousse. And then I'm just going to go through the hair using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and this is just going to allow the curls to clump together. And I'm going to take small little portions of the curls where it naturally wants to separate, and I'm just going to twirl them and shingle them in my fingers. This is going to add definition to the hair and make it really curly once it dries. But again, I'm just applying some of that foaming wrap mousse, going through the hair using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush, and then I'm just going to shingle the curls. I do have a little bit of this gel from that same product line, and if you guys are interested, I'll be sure to link it down below. But I'm just going to apply that around the parting space just to kind of give more definition there, kind of make it look like it's growing from my scalp and kind of has like that wavy like texture. And then I'm just going to continue to shingle these curls in my fingers. Okay, so I just let the wig sit and dry overnight. This is what it looks like. Just going to scrunch the hair in my hands to break off that cast. Going to remove my little clip, and you guys can just see how this hair is looking. Went ahead and removed that edge band, and it's pretty much ready to go. So I did notice that the lace, as usual, it always kind of runs a little too light for my skin tone. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a little bit of my Fenty foundation, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lace to where it can melt right on in with my skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the provided adjustable band, and I just went ahead and inserted that into the wig so I can get a nice fit because y'all, my head is big and I have a lot of hair. This wig kind of fits snug. That little provided edge band is definitely necessary. So I went ahead and I put the wig on, and then I'm trying to fit my hair up underneath the wig. And y'all, it looks like I'm struggling, but y'all just trust the process. I promise you guys it's going to come together. But then I'm going to go ahead and just clip that hair out of my face. And this is a glueless wig, but again, I do have a lot of hair up underneath the wig, and just for added security, I will be using a little bit of my Ebin lace spray to kind of temporarily adhere that part down. And then I'm just going to kind of fix the little swoop. I'm adding a little bit of powder to my parting space to make that part pop. You can also add foundation, whatever works for you. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my white tooth comb, or you can use the Afro pick, and I'm just going to pick this hair out. I do want to add some volume, but I don't want to disturb the curls too much because I didn't go in and define this hair all for me to go ahead and pick it apart and lose those curls. But halfway through me applying the wig, I decided to switch out my earrings. I haven't worn these big old hoops in years. I retired these hoops a long time ago, but I feel like the hair was missing something, so I threw on my big hoops. And y'all, I'm officially an auntie. I mean, I've been an auntie for the last 16 years, but I never really looked like one. But I decided to step into my auntie era. Y'all, this wig is given mature and beautiful. This is definitely for you ladies who actually prefer shorter wigs. Y'all, I think this might be the shortest wig I've ever had. No, I had a wig shorter. I had a TWA wig, but y'all know I've always had long hair, and I've always kind of gravitated towards longer units. So this was kind of refreshing to kind of step into a different era and try something different. But again, you guys, definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. Again, this wig does come from Luvme. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. This unit does come in several different colors as well as lengths, so go ahead and check that out. But again, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.